pretty much grew up in this industry with my father. We arrived, three of us, me, my mom, and my father, in '94. We started as an appliance repair company, and then in like 2000, 2001, we added HVAC to our company brand, and it kind of stuck with us since. And we've got really good at it. It's so important for San Diego, I think. When we do get hot, we need air conditioner. We're spoiled here. One day, one of my comfort advisors just emails me an article saying, hey, take a look at this. And it talks about Quilt. And first thing I see is a very good-looking air handler hanging on the wall. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty neat. The next day, another CA gives me a call. And he said, I just lost a job. I'm like, okay, that happens. Why? He's like, well, there was another company, and customer said that they went with Quilt. Before, we used to have big systems, noisy systems. Now we have ductless, like Quilt. Something that you don't know exists, looks good, sounds almost non-existent, and does the job. You can install a system that can control 10 different zones at different times independently without having to run up the electrical or gas bill. The fact that it's a local brand, I tell my guys, if you're selling ductless, it better be Quilt, because there's no reason to sell anything else.